The 6 weeks of no load shedding has been like a dream for many South Africans, for whom power cuts had become a part of their daily lives. Eskom has attributed this to improved generation capacity. This has been supportive of business activity in energy-intensive industries like manufacturing and mining. And if this is maintained over the long run, economists say it holds the promise of better growth prospects.
If we can maintain the current level of electricity provision, then certainly the South African economy will react positive to that, and we can see economic growth in excess of 1%, perhaps 1.2%. And of course, the outcome of the election is going to be crucial as well. But if it goes back to business as usual and with stage levels of load shedding 3, 4, 5, for example, then economic growth is unlikely to see 1%. I think it's going to be well below 1% in this year if we go back to normal. And normal in the case of South Africa is a situation without sufficient electricity. So I guess there are two variables that are important. Is this for real, the electricity provision that we see currently, and of course the outcome of the election?
The BankServ Africa Economic Transaction Index, measuring transactions in the economy, increased in April, reaching its highest level in 8 months, mainly as a result of the suspension of load shedding.
In the fact that we had the suspension of load shedding towards the end of March, that has definitely impacted positively on economic activity. Apart from that, we are also thinking that the preparation spending towards the election that's upcoming has also been an important factor in driving the high economic activity during the month of April.
Eskom has, however, warned that power cuts are likely to return in the winter months, but has made an undertaking that they will be limited to stage 2 of load shedding as demand for electricity gets ramped up by the need to keep warm. Gloria Sefakomo, SABC News, Johannesburg.